I'm live from Davao City, Philippines, guys. Welcome to my channel. Yes, welcome to my channel, guys. Oh my God! Kailan ba ako mag 100? I miss my 58,000 viewers. I miss you all. Sana hindi na ako nag-stop noon. Sana nag-wait na lang ko ng 10 hours para abot yun ng 1 million agad. I'm gonna be doing live, guys, as much as possible every night here. Every night Philippine time, guys, because I haven't been live actually. Oh my God. For 3 weeks, I guess. For 2 weeks, 3 weeks, like that. You know, because I haven't been live before my birthday, September 12, and now I just live again. So, this is my first live after the last live before my birthday, September 12. So, this is almost 2 weeks, guys. I haven't seen you. And then I think most of my viewers and subscribers and my fans they already forgot about me. Oh my God. So, this is my first time live ever, guys. So, I think I have to do live every night again so you all people can remember me. So are you still there? Mirza Gigi from Pakistan. So what time in Pakistan right now, Mirza Gigi? Mirza Gigi. So I really don't know how you spell your name. Mirza Gigi. Mirza Gigi, oh my God, my love is not here yet because he's not throwing me any hearts at the moment here in my life. I think he's still sleeping. Oh my God. What is scheduled for September 11, 2024? So I'm calling to all my fans over here. We have 33 viewers at the moment. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Daphne and Victoria Bridge. Oh my God, welcome back to my channel. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sander, you have another name again. Hello. Okay, hello. Sander, like mo po 33 likes lang ako so far. Hello, Sander. How are you, Sander? Oh my God. Why you change your name to Brock? Oh my God, Brock Shield. Hello, Sander. Hello, Sander. I miss you. Oh my God, you keep changing your name. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sander. What's new about, oh my God. What's new about Sander? You haven't uploaded new videos, Sander? 13 days ago. Oh my God, you're also not active. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I really like this. Do you think you kill for me one day? Oh, yes, of course I will. Oh my God. Mile AG couple. Kobe Brooke. Oh my God. I think you're so obsessed with Brock now, Sander. I'm feeling good, Dad. I've been waiting days after days for your channel to go live. Oh my God, Sander. Thank you so much for that, Sander. I thought everyone already forgot me. Hi, Franco, say hi to Sander. Sander is here. Hi, Victoria, say hi to Sander. Sander is here. Hi, unsaon mo na alcohol, Victoria? You know, Victoria, bantay lang mo sa akong makeup, yun ang ipangkuhan niya. Say hi to Sander here, Jolo, Franco. Hi, Sander. Yeah, me too, Sander. You know, I noticed that you're also not active for 13 days in your channel.
Oh, your lipstick.
Yeah, say hi to Sander. Say hi to Sander.
Hi!
Say yung lipstick, Victoria. Bantay lagi mo na pang kuano ng mga lipstick niya.
Hindi, wala ang lipstick kay Julo.
Mantika ra na, Victoria. Hi, Sander! Yeah, it was highly required by Instagram. They said that I should change user to Brooke. Oh, really? So you have an IG? Yeah, I also have an IG, but I'm not active with IG because I just connect my YouTube. You know, I just connect my YouTube channel, YouTube channel and Facebook to my IG. So I'm not really active to my IG because every time that I go active in my Facebook, it just go directly to my IG. So what I'll be posting to my Facebook is actually automatically posted to IG as well. So I'm not really active to IG. So yeah, a bit busy with school. Hi, Victoria. Yeah, Victoria is also very busy, doing